Any thoughts on these livestock prices?
Yeah, I would say I'm a little bit disappointed in the live cattle price action. The first two and a half months of the year, we saw the cash cattle market basically stagnant between 155, 160. We've seen the cash trade develop, and I think 165 was a USDA 5-area average that was reported yesterday. And you aren't seeing any follow through on the future side, which is a big caution flag, in my opinion, thanks to the funds and the managed money. Might be a little skeptical that this optimism is going to continue to be around for that much longer. And I'm kind of in that same camp that, if we aren't able to rally futures on good news, well, maybe there's something else behind the curtains. And we talked about the commitment of traders report in the grain segment before the debacle on the COT reports. We know the funds had a large net long position. So I wouldn't be surprised to see the market start to consolidate and maybe even break a little bit lower here in the near term.
I mean, what are you telling your producers now that have missed those sales? I mean, especially going back to the grains. I mean, it's going to be difficult now, maybe waiting / hoping, which is not a great business plan, for some sort of rally to maybe unload some stuff, because, well, we have a WASD and then we've got to go through the end of month with the acreage report, right?
Right. We got a WASD report coming up right around the corner, and then the all-important prospective plantings report at the end of the month. And I expect the volatility to continue here and really pick up. Typically, we see the volatility bottom out in February and start to rally through the spring, which is basically on par with what we've seen over the last week and a half. So I expect that to continue, and I think that'll present a lot of great opportunities. We had a pretty sharp sell-off here over the last week, but I think there will be more opportunities for producers to take advantage here going into the spring. There's still a lot of uncertainties between now and planting and then crop development.
Awesome stuff. Thank you very much. Oliver Sloup, Blue Line Futures.